So on the 4th of June there was a Prora, as someone see a Coles Rail Freight engineers train that was going through there. However, my first catch today was 2 Echo 10, the 1033 Trans-Pennine Express service to Newcastle from Edinburgh with 802.209. Then this is 1SR21, the 1050 cross-country service to Edinburgh Waverley from Birmingham New Street with 221119 and 221136. Then this is 1SO4, the 1055 London North Eastern Railway service to Edinburgh Waverley from London King's Cross with 800.210. Then this is 2D86, the 1110 ScotRail service to Edinburgh Waverley from Dunbar with 380.105. Then this is 1E12, the 1114 London North Eastern Railway service to St Eates from Edinburgh Waverley with 801.222. Then this is 1V60, the 1118 cross-country service to Plymouth from Aberdeen with 221141 and 220005. Then this is 9SO7, the 1133 Trans-Pennine Express service to Edinburgh Waverley from Liverpool Lime Street with 802.211. And then the last normal train of that day would be 5S99, the 1149 cross-country service to Craigentiny TNR SMD from Tyne Sorting Yard with 220022. And then this is the return of 1V60. It did not make it all the way down to Plymouth and indeed only made it to Dunbar. This is because an 800 collided with the overhead wires in between Berwick upon Tweed and Dunbar, so trains were either terminated like 1V60 or were just held there. So this is its now return journey back to Edinburgh to drop off its passengers before returning to Craigentiny with 220005 now up front in 221141. And then my last catch would be the last train actually that would make it north and did not get affected by the delays. This is 6S31, the 1257 Coles Rail Freight service to Millerhill SS from Doncaster up Decoy with 56302 and 7801.